Hello guys, you're welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to build a logistic website. As you can see on your screen, this is a perfect example of a logistic website. If you scroll through everything, all the pages are intact. You can see the about us, you can see our services, mover, freight, custom, logistic, contact us, understand? So you can do your own logistic website in the space of in less than an hour. You can have this website delivered to your client. Okay, so if today is your first time of coming to my channel, my name is Amadine Etosa. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get quality updates. All right, so without wasting much time, we'll dive into this straight away. Now, before we go, let me quickly show you the tracking side. If you come over to this side now, you click on, let me just use this as my click on track package. As I do that, okay, see it's loading up. You can see these are the information, and it also has a live map. You can see map moving up and down here. All right, so that is what we'll be designing. So before you can design this, you need to have access to a cPanel. All right, you need to purchase your domain name from any of the web hosting company out there, have your cPanel, and you are good to go. All right, so on this particular side now, I'll be using an existing cPanel. So I'll just go to my cPanel. You can see this is my cPanel here. All right, this is my cPanel. I'll go to file manager. You can see file manager here. Click on file manager. Right, then come to public underscore HTML, which you can see here. Open it up. Then I'll just come over to this place and create a new folder. Right, create a new folder. But for you who will be doing this, you don't need to create a new folder. Once you come to your public underscore HTML, you will not see anything there. All right, so all you need to do is to upload the file directly, and you have everything you need. So like this one, I'll just say, you can just call it delivery. All right, call it delivery, and I'll click on create folder. All right, the folder has been created, which is this. I'll open it up. You can see it's empty. This is what you will get once you purchase your domain name. All right, if you can't see this, you will see a folder called something CID bin. All right, CID bin. You can see that it doesn't really mean many things. You can delete it and upload your files. So once I do that, now I'll come over to this place. I'll click on upload. You can see upload up here. I'll click on it. So once I click on upload, I'll come to select file. Then I'll come to my download. I have it on my download. Come to my download. Then I'll come to, right, this is the file. I'll upload it. Okay, I'll just upload and allow it to load for a while. All right, so just allow it to load. So while this is loading, I will need to create my database. So I'll come to my cPanel again, come to public underscore HTML, come to my SQL database wizard. All right, my SQL database wizard. So come here, click on it. Then I'll just say test DB. All right, so you can give it any name you want. So I'll just use that as my database name. Then I'll come say test you. All right, that's this thing. Click on this. So all right, think this is okay. All right, so just think this is okay. All right, so I'll just open this. Okay, so I'll paste it here. Then I'll come over, just continue what I'm doing. Since I'll say I've copied, I'll click on use password. All right, so once I do that, I'll click on create user. All right, so click on create user. Then I'll copy these two information I have here. You can see it's very easy. Copy these two information I have here. All right, copy. Then come to my notepad. I have it there. Sorry, I pasted it there. Yeah. So I'll continue. Then I'll mark all privileges. Then I'll click on next step. All right, so that is how you create your database. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to upload our database file. Okay, so come over to this place. If you let me check. Okay, good. You can see this has been uploaded, and when you are uploading, always make sure that the thing turns green like this before you can leave. All right, so always wait for it to turn green. Two things are involved. Once it turns green, it means it's complete. Sometimes when you are uploading, it will, instead of it to turn green, it will turn red. Don't bother to upload again. It's already complete. The reason why it turns that way is that the network was bad or something. So once it's turned green or red, it means it's complete. So I'll click on go back here. You can see it here. Click on go back. Right, you can see it. Right click on it and extract. You can see extract. Right, extract files. Okay, so I'll click on close. All right, so once you do that, I can reload. Okay, you now have this folder. I can delete this one off and just delete. So I have this already. So I'll open it. You can see all the files I need. They are all inside here. So what I will do is I'll click on select all. You can see select all here. Then click on right click and click on move. You can see move here. Then I will erase this off. I want to move it into that folder. I'll say move. All right, so good. Reload it. There's nothing here. Then come back to this place now. You can see all my files here. Right, all my files are intact. Okay, so remember that we've created our database. Sorry, I think remember we have created our database, which is what we have here. You can see our database here. So what we do now is to connect the database with our front end. So before we do that, we need to upload our database file. So once you want to upload, if you come to your files, you will see SQL. This is where you have the database file. Open it. You can see this file there. All you need to do is right click on it and download. All right, click on it to download. So since I already have mine downloaded, I'll come to my phpMyAdmin. You can see phpMyAdmin here. Right, click on phpMyAdmin. Okay, sorry, this is not this. So I'll come to phpMyAdmin. You can see phpMyAdmin here. This phpMyAdmin, click on it. All right, you wait for it to load. All right, so I'll come over to where I have it. This is my database I created. You can see it's empty. So once you do that, come here and select import. You can see import here. Click on import, then click on choose file. Then that database downloaded, make sure you select it. All right, so I'll just select my database and I'll click on open. All right, click on open. So then I'll click on import. You can see import here. Okay, good. So we have all the files inside. Okay, we have all the files. Now, once you are done with this, now we can now connect it with our database. All right, to connect to the database, come to your files. All right, come to your files. You will see config.php. You see config.php. Right click on it and edit. Right, edit files. Okay, so this is where you do the necessary things you need to do. Now, first of all, this is your site name. You can change it to your own name. All right, change it to your own name instead of having it as a Cube Express. You can say SYZ delivery if that's your domain, if that's your site. All right, so once you put the domain here, you can see the name here. All right, so now you can create your own webmail. So if you want to create your webmail, if you come over to your site, you can see email account. All right, you can see email account here. You click on email account, you can create your own email. You can create your own email. To create your own email account here, click on create. Like mine, I might just say support. All right, I can just say support or anything. Just say support. So this becomes my email. All right, so you can copy this. I'll come over to where I have it here. Where is it? Config here. So I'll just paste it here. Okay, then I'll put my support if that's the email I want to use. All right, then you can see database name, DB name. You change it from DB name. This is my DB name here. You can see it here. Copy. All right, come over to this place, DB name. I remove this Cube Express. I'll paste it. DB username. Come to DB username, which is what you have here. Copy. Then come over here again. DB username. I'll remove this root. I'll paste. Then DB password, which is what you are seeing here. Can you see all the information we are doing? Then I'll paste it here. Okay, you can see that I'm done the necessary things here. So once you are done, you can click on save. All right, you can click on save, or better still, let me show you something. Let me remove this and put delivery. Let me do that so that I'll show you what you are getting in case. Sorry, let me do this now. Now let me save. All right, so if I come over to this part here, you can see what it's saying. It's saying could not connect. Could not connect because the database has not been inserted, the database information has not been inserted correctly. All right, this is what you get if you not do it correctly. So since we are getting this now, let me come back here and put my information. So this is what I copied. Then I'll come here, paste it, then I'll click on save. Now the same thing that is showing me could not connect. Let's try it again. All right, can you see now? Can you see my domain name? Domain name is already popping up. All right, so this is how you fix, you create your, you connect your logistic website. So since we are done with this, other things you have here could easily be edited. So now the first one we are going to edit. The first one we're going to edit, you can see the site is already showing there. Then you can come back here. Now you can see the home, the about us. All right, you can see the home. The home is the index. You can see all these files. Now let me show you. If you come to where you have, if you come to your site now, you will see the contact us, you will see about us. Right click on it and edit. All right, edit files, edit files. So you can see the information we have to edit there. Right, you can see the express delete, you change that. So you just go through them and edit each of these pages one after the other. All right, so if you want to change the logo, you can see the logo. If you want to change, right click on it, copy image link, then come over to your site. I'll paste. Sorry, you can see that now. So the image is in asset image logo folder. All right, so this is your image, image. Can you see it here? So you create your image and name it in this category. All right, let me see. I think I have a, let me just asset image. Okay, let me go back. All right, assets, is it image img? Okay, logo. All right, so you can see my logo here. So what I will do is, since my logo is here, I will click on upload and create my own logo and use for that. All right, I'll click on select. All right, I think I have, let me go to pictures. Do I have anything bearing logo? No, this one. Okay, let me go to my download. All right, you can see logo. All right, let me use this now. Click on upload. When I upload, it will tell you to overwrite. I'll click on yes. You can see it now. Then let me come back here now and refresh this. Press control. All right, so you can see that this logo will change. I see the logo will change. All right, so that is how you can see the logo has changed. You can see the logo now. So this is how you create your logo and you upload. I will clear. So this is how you build your logistic website without having any issues. All right, so if you so much love this particular video we have done so far and you would like to get access to this particular template we have used, all you need to do is to reach out to me via my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. So if you got value from this particular video, just give this video a thumbs up and do well to subscribe if you have not. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.